When data never stops moving, can your security afford to stand still? Outdated DLPs can't keep up, leaving your enterprise exposed. So, what's next? Traditional DLPs were built for a different era: clunky keyword logic, heavy agents, and server sprawl. Meanwhile, insider risk and shadow IT are rewriting the rules in real time. The old playbook, it just can't keep up. Meet GTB Next-Gen DLP, a platform reimagined for today's digital enterprise. One unified agent covers every angle: classification, data discovery, TCP inspection, incident reporting, watermarking, OCR, and many more. No bolt-ons, no bloat. Just seamless protection. Here's what makes it different: a single ISO-based agent. No external OS, no extra databases, no tangled server mess. That means lightning-fast rollouts, lower costs, and less strain on your IT teams. With GTB, you get a full spectrum of built-in features: fingerprint-based discovery, endpoint, web, and network DLP, file and database auditor, content-aware DRM, and rock-solid cloud security. Everything's included right out of the box. One agent, every platform: Windows, Linux, and Mac. No patchwork modules, no hidden fees, just unified real-time protection wherever your data lives. Think about total cost of ownership. Traditional DLPs stack up costs: servers, licenses, add-ons. GTB flattens that curve, speeding your ROI and delivering true enterprise control. Voted 2025's best DLP solution provider and 2024's most trusted global data security enterprise, GTB is trusted across industries for a reason. GTB Next-Gen DLP isn't just protection. It's precision, performance, and peace of mind. Protect what matters. Reduce the noise. Own your data. With GTB, with Augmentor,